Are you ready to transform your body and mind in just 10 days? Welcome to the Radiant Wellness 10-Day Health Challenge, a journey designed to boost your energy, sharpen your mental clarity, and enhance your physical well-being. Over the course of the next 10 days, we will be exploring various aspects of holistic health. Each day is a new step towards a healthier, happier you, focusing on essential elements such as nutrition, exercise, mindfulness, and more. This isn't merely about a quick fix or a temporary change. This challenge is about empowering you to make lasting positive transformations in your life. So what exactly is this 10-day health challenge? It is a comprehensive program that will guide you through daily practices aimed at improving your overall wellness. Every day you'll be introduced to a different facet of holistic health, providing you with a well-rounded approach to your well-being. The purpose of this challenge is to help you unlock your full potential. It's about breaking free from the limitations that have been holding you back and stepping into a lifestyle of vibrant health and vitality. We're not just talking about losing a few pounds or getting a bit more sleep, although those can be wonderful side effects. We're talking about a transformation that impacts every area of your life. By the end of this challenge, you can expect to see noticeable improvements in your energy levels, mental clarity, and physical fitness. But more than that, you'll gain a deeper understanding of your own body and mind. You'll learn how to listen to your body's signals, how to fuel your body with the right nutrients, how to calm your mind, and how to keep your body active and strong. But remember, this challenge is not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about making small, sustainable changes that will have a big impact on your health and happiness. So, are you ready? Are you ready to take control of your health? Are you ready to feel better, think clearer, and live a more vibrant life? If your answer is yes, then let's get started. Day one of your transformation begins now. Day one is all about nutrition. It is the cornerstone of your health journey, the fuel for your body and the sustenance for your mind. Just as a car can't run without the right fuel, our bodies can't function optimally without the right nutrition. So what does good nutrition look like? Picture a rainbow on your plate: vibrant vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These are the building blocks of a nutritious diet. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect and nurture our bodies. Remember, each bite is an opportunity to nourish your body. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about when and how you eat. Regular, balanced meals are key. Avoiding late-night snacking can help your body rest and rejuvenate, and savoring your food rather than rushing through meals can improve digestion and satisfaction. Remember, good nutrition is the first step towards a healthy body and mind. Day two, time to get moving. Exercise. It's the natural energy booster you've been looking for. It's not just about building muscles or losing weight. Exercise is a powerhouse for your mental health too. You see, when you move, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that make you happy. It's like nature's own antidepressant. But it doesn't stop at a better mood. Regular physical activity sharpens your focus, boosts your memory, and improves your sleep. It's like your brain is saying, thank you for taking care of it. And the best part, it doesn't have to be a grueling gym session. A brisk walk, a quick dance-off in your living room, even gardening. If it gets your heart pumping, it's good for you. So let's lace up those sneakers, turn up that music, and let's get moving. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Remember, a little progress each day adds up to big results. Keep moving, keep improving. Day three, let's talk about hydration. Hydration is like the oil in your body's engine. Without it, things start to slow down, heat up, and eventually break down. It's not just about quenching thirst, it's about maintaining a balance of bodily fluids that aid digestion, absorption, circulation, and even body temperature regulation. Imagine a plant without water. It droops, it's lifeless, but give it a drink and it springs back, full of life. The same goes for your body. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and confusion. But drink enough water and you'll feel energetic, alert, and ready to embrace the day. Water is also a natural detoxifier. It flushes out toxins and waste, keeping your body clean from the inside out. So, while you're working on transforming your body and mind, don't forget the simple yet powerful act of drinking water. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. Day 4, it's time for some mindfulness. As we journey through our 10-day health challenge, today we delve into the realm of the mind. Mindfulness, a form of meditation, encourages us to focus on the present moment. It's not about emptying your mind, but about becoming aware of our thoughts, feelings, and the world around us. This practice has a myriad of benefits, from reducing stress and anxiety to improving focus and mental clarity. It's a tool that can help us navigate the ups and downs of life with a sense of calm and balance. Now let's try a simple exercise. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus on your breath as it enters and leaves your body. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just gently bring your attention back to your breath. Remember, a calm mind is a healthy mind. Let's carry this tranquility into the rest of our health challenge. Day 5, let's dive into the importance of sleep. Sleep is the golden chain that binds health and our bodies together. It's the time when our bodies heal, rejuvenate, and our brains process the day's activities. It's not just about quantity, but quality too. So, how do we achieve quality sleep? First, establish a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. This consistency helps regulate your body's clock and could help you fall asleep and stay asleep for the night. Next, create a restful environment. This might mean darkening your room, keeping it cool, and making sure your bed and pillows are comfortable. Lastly, avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. They can disrupt your sleep cycle. Remember, your journey to radiant wellness is not a sprint, but a marathon. So don't rush it. Take it one step and one sleep at a time. Sleep well, wake up energized. Day 6, it's time to tune your mindset. Just as the body needs healthy food and regular exercise, the mind requires positivity to thrive. Our thoughts have immense power. They shape our perception, influence our behavior, and in turn, affect our overall health. A positive mindset can be a potent tool for enhancing well-being. It can boost our resilience, reduce stress, and even improve our physical health. But how do we cultivate positivity? Here are a few tips. First, practice gratitude. Each day, take a moment to acknowledge what you're thankful for. This simple act can shift your focus from what's wrong to what's right in your life. Next, embrace optimism. Try to see the best in every situation. Even when things don't go as planned, remember that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Lastly, surround yourself with positive influences. Choose to spend time with people who uplift you and engage in activities that make you happy. A positive mind leads to a positive life. Day 7, let's break those bad habits. Welcome to the pivotal point of our transformative journey. Today we address the elephant in the room. Bad habits. They are the silent saboteurs of our health, the stealthy thieves of our well-being. They creep in unnoticed and become a part of our routine, damaging us from the inside out. But what are these bad habits? They could be anything from consuming processed foods to leading a sedentary lifestyle to neglecting hydration or even harboring negative thoughts. These seemingly small actions, when done repetitively, have a cumulative effect on our health. The first step to breaking any bad habit is awareness. We must bring these habits from the subconscious realm into the conscious. Start by identifying the triggers for your bad habits. Is it stress that leads you to snack on junk food? Do you skip your workout when you are overwhelmed? Once you've identified your triggers, it's time to replace the bad habits with good ones. For every harmful action, there's a beneficial counterpart. Swap the processed snacks with fresh fruits. Replace screen time with a brisk walk. Exchange negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remember, the key to replacing a bad habit is consistency. It's not about making a huge, drastic change overnight. It's about making small, consistent changes every day. And yes, there will be days when you falter, when the old habit creeps back in. But don't be disheartened. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. Enlist the help of your loved ones. Share your goals with them. Their support and encouragement can make your journey easier. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. Changing a habit is a process, not an event. So let's make a pledge today, a pledge to break the chains of our bad habits, to free ourselves from their harmful grip. And in their place, let's cultivate habits that nourish our bodies, energize our minds, and uplift our spirits. Break bad habits, make good ones. Day 8, let's connect and communicate. As we embark on this transformative journey, let's take a moment to focus on one of the most crucial elements of our overall well-being: our social connections and communication. In the grand tapestry of life, each one of us is a thread, interconnected and interwoven with others. These connections, these relationships we forge, they don't just add color to the tapestry, they strengthen it. Now you might be wondering, what does this have to do with health? Well, countless studies have shown that having strong social connections can lower levels of anxiety and depression, boost self-esteem, and even improve our immune function. The simple act of reaching out to a loved one, sharing a laugh, or expressing a concern can have profound effects on our mental health. Good communication is the bridge that connects us to others. It's not just about talking, but about listening, understanding, and empathizing. It's about expressing our needs and our feelings openly and honestly, and allowing others to do the same. But let's face it, in today's hyper-connected world, it's easy to feel disconnected. We're often so caught up in our own lives that we forget to reach out to others. We forget to tell our friends how much they mean to us, or to ask our family members how they're doing. We forget to communicate. So today, I want to challenge you. Reach out to someone you care about. It could be a friend, a family member, a colleague, or even a neighbor. Tell them something positive. Ask them how they're doing. Listen to what they have to say. Connect. Communicate. Remember, we're social creatures by nature. We thrive on connection and communication. They're as essential to our well-being as food, water, and air. So don't neglect them. Foster your relationships. Nurture your connections. Communicate with kindness and empathy. Stay connected, stay happy. Day 9, it's time to reflect and reward. As we near the end of our 10-day health challenge, it's crucial to take a moment to pause and reflect. Reflection is an essential part of progress because it allows us to see how far we've come and what we've achieved. Think back to day 1, when we first embarked on this journey together. Remember the apprehension, the uncertainty, maybe even a little bit of fear. Now, look at where you are. You've nourished your body with wholesome foods, energized it with exercise, hydrated, meditated, slept well, embraced a positive mindset, and even worked on breaking bad habits. You've done all this and more. You've pushed through, and now you're here, stronger and healthier in body and mind. Now, let's talk about rewards. Rewarding yourself for your achievements is just as important as the achievements themselves. Rewards act as positive reinforcement, encouraging you to keep going, to keep improving. They create a sense of accomplishment and make the hard work feel worthwhile. Your reward can be anything that makes you happy. It could be a new book, a day out in nature, or even just some quiet time alone. The important thing is that it's something that brings you joy and celebrates the effort you've put into this challenge. But remember, the greatest reward is the progress you've made, the positive changes you've implemented in your life, and the healthier, happier you. You've transformed not just your body, but your mind as well. You've proven to yourself that you are capable of making significant changes in your life. So, as we approach the final day of our health challenge, take this time to reflect on your journey. Acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Every step you've taken is a step closer to a healthier, happier you, and that's something worth celebrating. Reflect on your journey, reward your progress. Or day 10, welcome to the new you. You've journeyed through a transformative 10 days, each day a stepping stone towards a healthier, happier, more radiant you. This challenge wasn't simply about a 10-day commitment, it was about sparking a change, a shift in your lifestyle that carries forward into your everyday life. You've nurtured your body and mind with balanced nutrition, invigorating exercise, mindful meditation, and restorative sleep. You've cultivated a positive mindset, broken away from detrimental habits, and fostered meaningful connections. Each of these steps is an integral part of the journey towards holistic health, and you've embraced them all. As you move forward, remember the strength and resilience you've shown these past 10 days. Continue to nurture these habits, for they are now part of your new routine, your new normal. Congratulations on completing the 10-day health challenge. Now it's your turn to start this life-changing journey.